Hello my awesome viewers, it's Uday from Uday's Kitchen here to give you the most delicious recipes. Today we have a fried fish recipe with some spaghetti on the side and some onion gravy. That's our famous onion gravy that we make for almost all purpose gravy reasons. Okay, so we have here some tilapia fillet, okay, our marinade. We have black pepper, Creole seasoning, salt, vinegar. You can also use lemon or lime and some all-purpose seasoning. Okay, then you have our spaghetti as well. So we're going to mix our marinade with our spices and the vinegar first, and then marinate our chicken with it and let it sit in that marinade for some time. That is set, so you mix it all together. Okay. You can add in a little bit mustard if you like, okay, but normally when you're frying, if you put in some mustard, it makes the fish stick to the pot. Okay, so I'm omitting it today. You can add a little bit if you like. So this is all of our spices and the marinade, and you just take it and marinate your fish with it. Let it sit in this marinade until you're ready to fry it. Okay. You can also marinate the fish with just lemon and salt, okay, and it will still do the job. All right, but you know, we want everything extra flavorful, so do it like so. And that's our onion and bell peppers for the gravy, and some French fries on the side as well. With my pot set, I add in my oil, and I'm going to first fry in my French fries. I'm going to fry this until golden brown. That's golden brown now, so take that out and set it on a paper towel. As soon as I'm done frying the chips, fish fillets are set. Been marinating for some time now, so I take piece by piece. I kind of cut them into small sizes. Fry those until they're cooked and golden brown, and set it on a paper towel. It's golden brown now and all set. So we take it out, drain the excess oil, and set it on a paper towel. Do the same for the rest of the fish fillets, and it's done. As soon as I'm done frying the fish, I reduce the amount of oil, okay, and sieve it if it has small particles in it. So I have just a little amount of oil left in the pot. In goes my onions and butter. Add some black pepper, some Maggi seasoning, a little bit of vinegar and mustard, and fry this until it is caramelized, and that's done too. As our onions are cooking, on a separate pot we have our spaghetti water. Okay, so we have water set on the pot about to boil. I add in some salt, okay, and let that boil before we add in our spaghetti. As soon as it starts boiling, I add in my spaghetti. So let it all immerse in the water and cook it according to package instructions. And finally our onion is all set, so we set that aside. Drain all the water. In the bowl we have some slices of butter. So as soon as I'm done draining it, I add it to the butter. Mix it up. And set that aside. That's also done. There you have it. You can have this with mayo and ketchup on the side. You know, simple as that. Bon appetit. See you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you all for your everlasting support. Please do like, share, and subscribe if you're new to my channel to not miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Until we meet next time, bye bye.